This is a dangerous system. Damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash flooding are all possible risks. Anggrek is located 1,971 kilometers southeast of Diego Garcia, and has moved west-southwestward at 19 kilometers per hour, 10 knots, over the past 6 hours. Anggrek is forecast to track southwestward to west-southwestward from today to the next 3 days. The very favorable environment. A long track is anticipated to allow the system to intensify to a peak intensity around 220 km per hour, 120 knots, in 3 days. Categorization estimates forecasts are provided by JTWC. Wind speeds and categorizations may be different from those provided by local meteorological agencies. Following the next 3 days, Anggrek will begin to round the subtropical ridge located southwest of the low-level circulation center and track south-southwestward to the next 4 days, rounding the apex of the subtropical ridge in around 5 days. As the system tracks further south beyond 3 days, sea surface temps fall sharply from 29 C at 3 days to 25 C in 5 days and are anticipated to curtail any further intensification from occurring. Global model guidance is in exceptional track agreement from today to the next 3 days, and good agreement thereafter. A cross-track spread of 154 kilometers at 3 days and 778 kilometers leaves much more uncertainty in the later hour, the next 3 days to the next 5 days. Intensity guidance, with the exception of GFS, suggests further intensification will occur until in around 3 days, reaching a peak intensity of near 220 km per hour, 120 knots. The spread observed in intensity guidance of 130 km per hour, 70 knots, is maximized at this interval, leaving much uncertainty in the degree of intensification. Maximum significant wave height is 9.8 meters, 32 feet. Information provided by the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, JTWC.